Hello, Jefferson. It is Friday. It's finally Friday. It's Friday, October 23rd, and today is your final day for your PSA project. That's right, it is due today, Friday, October 23rd by 2:30. That is always usually our deadline. So keep in mind, your submission should be either handed in person or online by 2:30 today. So your project is due today. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that during this video. Maybe we should make a counter. But if you need help, you're not sure how to submit it, please reach out to Miss Anderson or myself, and we'll gladly help you out. If your technology isn't working, just please let us know, and we're going to help you with some workarounds to get your video done. If you're doing those videos or a podcast, use Screencastify, and it's an extension for your Google Chrome. That's going to be your best bet, and we can't wait to see all your projects and hear what you have learned.